Imagine standing at the entrance of a complex maze, tasked with finding the exit. You navigate carefully, marking landmarks along the way. But what happens if you sleep on it? Can a good night rest make you a better navigator? Well, science says yes. So, welcome to my presentation today, and I will discuss the finding from the paper called Overnight Sleep Enhances Hippocampus-Dependent Aspect of Spatial Memory by Nguyen and colleague. So, this study investigates how sleep influences hippocampus-dependent spatial memory consolidation in human. So why does this matter? So sleep is known to enhance memory across many domains, like learning a new language or mastering a skill. Yet its role in spatial memory, like our ability to navigate and remember places, has received less attention. So we know from rodent studies that hippocampal play cells reactivate during the non-REM sleep or the non-rapid eye movement sleep, helping consolidate memories. And human studies suggest similar reactivation might occur, but findings on whether this leads to better navigation have been mixed. So these studies sought to answer two main questions. First is, does sleep improve hippocampus-dependent spatial navigation? And if so, are these improvements due to better spatial accuracy or faster navigation speed? So the experiment involved 30 healthy college students who participated in a virtual maze task or VMT. And the participant was split into two groups, which is the first one, the sleep group, that was trained at night and then they go to sleep and then they were tested the next morning. The second group is the wake group, which was trained in the morning and tested after a full day of wakefulness. And the performance was assessed using 4 metrics. The first one is the completion time, which is how quickly they exited the maze. And then we have the distance travel, which is the length of their path to the exit. And then they look into backtracking, which is how often they retrace their steps. And then lastly is the navigation speed, which is the speed of movement through the maze. So now let's dive into the result. So the participant in the sleep group significantly outperformed the wake group in spatial accuracy. So their completion time improved by 34% compared to only 6% in the wake group. Similarly, the sleep group reduced their distance travel and backtracking far more than the wake group. And interestingly, sleep didn't improve navigation speed. So this suggests that sleep specifically enhanced the accuracy of our spatial maps rather than the efficiency of our movement. So the findings suggest that sleep enhanced the consolidation of hippocampus-dependent spatial map, improved navigation accuracy, but not the speed. So this aligned with rodent studies showing that NREM, or the non-rapid eye movement sleep, plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. So for human, it confirmed that sleep strengthened hippocampus-dependent spatial map, which is essential for tasks like navigation. So think about this in a real life, whether you are memorizing a new commute or exploring a new city. So getting a good night's sleep could make a big difference. So, however, no study is without its limitation. For instance, the sample size was relatively small and limited to college students, so which may not fully represent the broader population. And additionally, the sleep and wake group were tested at different times of the day, so introducing potential circadian rhythm effect. And finally, the study primarily used a virtual maze task, so which may not entirely reflect real-world navigation scenarios. And the author also highlights some exciting avenues for future research. For example, further study could investigate the role of specific sleep stages such as non-rapid eye movement and rapid eye movement in spatial memory consolidation. Also, they could test the participant over longer intervals such as weeks or months, and This could reveal how durable these sleep-related improvements are. So, in conclusion, Nguyen and colleague provide a compelling evidence that sleep improves spatial accuracy by consolidating hippocampus-dependent memories. So next time, if you're struggling to learn a new route or master a skill, remember, sometimes the best way forward is to hit the pillow. So thank you for listening.